Hey guys, this is Plain Jane the Mirror back with another video today, and today I'm going to be sharing the big news with you guys. I know I mentioned it in the last video and about the big news and everything, so I just wanted to tell you guys what it is. And basically, the big news is and basically the reason why I haven't been uploading it as much is that I started a new hair care line. Well, not a hair care line, but like I own my own business now, and I'm selling a hair serum, and it's called Magic Touch by the Mirror, by me, of course, and it's a pretty good product, and I just want to show you guys the bottle. Um, yeah, so it's called Magic Touch, and basically I was working on websites, putting things together and everything so I can, make sure this is like, perfect product that I want to put out there. Of course, it still needs some tweaking but not as far as the product itself, but maybe packaging and things like that. But it's all good, you know. And I'm really so excited about it. It's a hair serum. It's a hair growth serum, and basically it helps, um, promotes healthy hair growth, healthy scalp. It helps with your split ends, helps with breakage. It helps stop all those things, and you know, basically, it creates a healthy scalp environment for healthy hair growths, and then makes it less prone to like breakage and stuff. So it all starts with the inside of your body, of course, and also with your scalp. If your scalp is not healthy, most likely your hair won't grow healthy. It might grow, but it might not stay long, or it might stay long, but you might get split ends and etc. etc. And I'm like so excited. I'm proud of myself, and I have more things coming, guys. It's just I'm working on it, so I'm sorry if I don't stay consistent, and I'm sorry if sometimes it's not the quality that you guys want. I do want to invest in better equipment, but yeah, some of the ingredients in the hair oil is castor oil, peppermint oil, and tea tree oil. A lot of people know that castor oil is very great for the scalp. It is so good. It makes a healthy, clean scalp for easier hair growth. And healthier hair growth, of course. It gives your scalp the nutrients that it needs. Tea tree oil, is kind of like uh, it cleanses any fungus that might be there, any bacteria. It's kind of like it helps, keep the scalp nice and clean and free from those type of things. And also, what else did I say? Peppermint oil. It creates blood flow to the scalp, and helps pull that nutrients from the inside to the actual scalp, and also for the hair. And you guys, your hair is going to grow. It is going to get much shinier. Um, what else can I say? It's going to become a lot more stronger uh, than it was before, and it's going to become more manageable. And basically, you guys can use it as a regular scalp oil, uh, actual hair oil that you put on your hair and put throughout your hair, and hot oil treatment. You can mix it with your shampoo, your conditioner, your deep treatments for an extra boost, extra shine. Um, it's even good for eczema. You can put it on your skin. Uh, I don't usually use it on my skin, but because I don't really have really extremely dry skin or anything like that, or eczema, but it helps with it. And also, I just mainly use it for my edges. Right now, I'm not really worried about hair growth right now. I'm just worried about, being healthy. So my hair has kind of been on a back burner a little bit, but like I use it for my edges because my edges are like not the same as it used to be. So I do have results of my edges. You'll usually see results within 2 to 3 weeks. That's for most people. I won't say it's for everybody gets the same results because everybody hair situation is different. Whatever you started your hair out with, if it's completely destroyed, then you have to expect maybe a little bit more time. Maybe not. You might be faster than somebody else, but definitely. But you can purchase these products either through my Instagram, which will be in the link description, in the description box below. The link will be in the description box below, or you can go to my website, and that will also be in the description box below. Um, you guys, I'm so excited. I'm working on starting school and things, and just a lot of stuff. A lot of things been happening, like good and bad, but mostly good. So, you guys, I'm gonna show you guys the product again, and it's just wrapped up because this is supposed to be an actual customer stuff, so it's still wrapped up. Okay, I have one that I've been using, and it is not as pretty, and I'm right here with it. I recommend that you know I feel like this oil will work best if you got like braids or something, like, because it's easier for the scalp. You don't have to worry about maintaining your actual hair and your scalp. You can just put on your scalp and go. Like I'd rather have like braids with this. So I'm gonna be getting braids, guys, because I feel like when your hair is out of the way, you ain't keep manipulating it. You not keep trying to measure to see how long it is. And I just feel like this will work best as a hot oil treatment, and also when you use it in protective styles like braids, twists, things like that, because you're not touching your hair constantly, and it's easier to wrap, just things like that. You just make sure you're wrapping your hair up at night. If you're not wrapping your hair, if you're not doing other stuff and you're just relying on this, you're probably not going to get the results that you really, really want. So make sure you're taking care of your hair, your body, you're wrapping your hair at night, you're doing what you have to do, not just relying on just the oil. Yes, you're still going to get results, but if you're not taking care of it, you're not going to see the results that you could see if you were. So, guys, if you got any more questions about this product, just put a question down below in the comment section, and or you can email me, hit me up on Instagram, whatever. But that's it, guys. That's the big news. I'm so excited about this. And like, I just, can't wait for you guys to try it and see the results for yourself. And also, there are results on my Instagram page. So if you're like, oh, I want to see a testimonial, I want to see what's good, like, you guys can, hit up my Instagram. All right. Bye.